So that's like your normal workflow. You're just coming out here and then drive the site?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I do all their GPS and all the Sodex. So what I'll do is, like, unfortunately today we had a little bit of a mishap with the GPS, not your system, just the GPS not being at the right location. But normally, yes, I just come straight out. I'll set it up, check my localization files, make sure that I'm where I'm at, unload, and start scanning.
So you're normally coming at the beginning of a project and do a survey, or are you coming several times?
I do it several times. We will do the first initial, once it's cleared, the trees have been removed, we will then come in and do a quick scan of it, and then see how much we need to balance it. Then when they get the topsoil removed, we come back in and do another digital scan of it. And I will do, on a project like this, I would do probably 5 to just keep us moving, make sure that we're not going to have any excess dirt, or we're not going to be low in certain spots.
Okay, and then you have, like, are you invoicing the client during the project as well, and are you doing that based off that data as well, like detecting milestones and stuff, or not too much?
We do, yes, sir. What we do is we'll do what they call change orders.
Yeah.
And so we will tell them, okay, you're going to have 90,000 extra cubic yards of dirt. Do we balance it, and or do we start questioning hauling it off?
Okay, got it. Yeah.
And so then we will we'll do what they, like I said, a change order, and charge them for it.
All right. You're always running up a base station, I guess, normally for accuracy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I usually always try to use my localized base station. Again, that was some of the reason we had the headache this morning, was the simple that they did not give me the setup that was needed to be. Okay. But yes, we run off a Leica base station 90% of the time.
So why are you choosing that over a drone here?
This to me is processing data is so much faster and smoother than a drone. There's of course regulations on a drone of you have to have your license, which I do have, but it's just to me easier to use the Sodex, and it gives us digital imagery of machinery that we can factor out, whereas a drone, if it was to locate a large pipes or a large stockpile of maybe gravel, it doesn't realize that that's not dirt. And whereas the Sodex, we can go in and show that it, because it's taking those digital images, we can go in and take that out and manipulate the dirt under it to create our topo. So in the drone, you just can't do that.
Yeah. Are you working on the cloud side as well? Are you bringing in the design models and everything to compare it then?
I do, but most of the time it is Hadley and Parker. Okay. I stay most of the time busy doing this for them, and then I also handle all the GPS for the
machine control.
15 crews, the machine controls. Yes. Go ahead.
How often are you using our system?
I use it 4 times, at least 3 to 4 times a week.
Oh, wow, okay. So you're always having the side-by-side on the back of your trailer, you're going on site.
It never leaves the truck. It's always with me every day. Every day. That way, if I get a call where they say, because we don't just do it, we use it for everything that can be used, balancing, adjustments. We use it for topo, and it's just so, it's much more convenient than a drone and the processing of a drone. And again, when you run into stipulations like, say, these power lines here, well, the Sodex doesn't get any interference from that, but a drone will not get, because of the electrical current, that drone will not get too close to it. So then I can't fly this at all. I would have to hand run all the topo for this, but not with the Sodex. Sodex I can run under here, as we are seeing right now, and have all this information in one file readily available for my guys in the office.
Sorry. Can we take now a little bit of the scan?
Sure.
Of course, give me 1 sec.
This is perfect with that what you said right now. Then you can explain
Yes, sir.
We will talk a bit. We will talk a bit about it. Yeah, you can just go ahead.
Okay.
So you said you get all the data in one file. Are you then taking it out of the software normally?
Yes.
And balance it?
Yes. Then what we'll do is we'll take the information out of the Sodex cloud and import it into our AgTech file.
Yeah.
That which way we can produce contour lines, so all it is basically, it's not copy and paste, but you know it's similar to copy and paste. You just have to take everything from the Sodex and then you find your common points, rotate your drawing and lay it in there. So I do like, I've noticed that. Now I'm going to go down this hill and we're going to take a turn in.
All right.
That way we can start seeing our circle as we fill in. So I'll head straight to the vehicle. We'll go ahead and scan this because we will scan this road. What I'll use is I already have topo of this road, so I will take it and overlay it with my Sodex. Now, I'm getting a little too fast here, which y'all know, so it did highlight. Of course, right now it's just processing its data like you know. That's the imagery usually. To me, it is, I've dealt with drones and this blows the drone out of the water. It is much more user-friendly. It's easier to teach. So to me, I've had guys try to do the drone and they've quit because they can't process the data. So even though we are going a little over the limit, of course, it does pick it up quite well. But I like to scan the roads also. That way I can overlay to make sure that we're all matching up.
Absolutely. You're aligned on the coordinate system. Got it.
Exactly.
Got it.
So I just want to say thank you for your team, for everything y'all have done. This is a phenomenal setup, a phenomenal addition to not only construction and surveying and grading. It has made our lives so much simpler. The data output, the information that it gives us in such a short time is phenomenal. It's been a blessing to be a part of this. Can't wait to see what you guys do in the future with additional data updates. So I do appreciate it. United Grading loves it. We're thankful for you guys and TerraWise for turning it on to us, Reed and Steven. Y'all guys, it's been phenomenal. So again, thank you so much for such a wonderful product.
So we're here in Georgia on a United Grading site together with TerraWise again. So Reed, you're the aerial and terrestrial LiDAR scanning specialist at TERRAWISE Solutions. Just introduce yourself real quick and what are you doing in your day-to-day business?
Day-to-day, so the terrestrial side of it is the Sodex, training customers, doing demos for them, explaining the product to them and why they need it.
So you're new to the construction industry and also like that kind of technology is new, but still I think you can give a good insight on how working with our technology is and like what's your experience so far?
It's easy, it's turnkey. You push a button and a bunch of colors pop up on the screen and you're getting data and you stop scanning, that's it. It's super easy to set up. Training customers is easy. Support calls are easy. Going over the cloud features are super easy.
What do customers like about that kind of data capturing?
They like it over the drone because of all the problems that drones have. That's what I've seen. A lot of our customers are buying these over the drones because they've already got one. Their pilot's left for whatever reason, and their drone's collecting dust, and they have to train someone on their software. As opposed to this, it's all cloud-based. You go out and you scan. There's no license involved. Can you drive a side-by-side? That's it.
So you explained it already. It's like easy in the terms of how we capture data. What about the speed of data availability? What do customers say about that?
They're loving it. Some of our customers have a guy in the office, and while someone's out scanning, they're already looking at the data, manipulating it, figuring numbers out while the person in real time is on the site. People that go back to the office, they're liking how fast it's there. By the time they get back to the office, the data's there, it's ready for whatever they need to use it for.
What are common use cases you see? So we know there's a special use case here on the United Grading side, but I'm sure different customers do have different use cases. What are you experiencing? What is the favorite use case with Sodex so far? A
lot of our customers are using it as a topo. We see a lot of our customers also defining storage areas over their whole site, small little stockpiles, getting numbers how far away they're done or until the job's complete, quantifying big stockpiles so they have a number how much it's going to cost to move it out or bring it in. things like that.
So is it mostly the surveyor using the data after that, or what kind of data workflows do you see once the data capturing is finished?
That exactly. Yeah, they'll have a person in the office. They'll either export the files, use the dashboard functionality to send to whoever they need to, whether it's the general contractor, superintendents on the site, they need the data.
So you're working on the support side of things. Like, what are common issues you see and how difficult are they to resolve as a reseller? Like, we're from the Sodex side, obviously we understand what kind of problems you have, but you as a reseller, what can you tell about supporting our technology? Obviously every technology has problems. How is it to handle Sodex problems?
Absolutely. Most of the time it's turn it off and turn it on again. It's as simple as that. And if it's not, it's usually a configuration issue where you've told it the wrong radio settings.
Rule number one in IT, turn it off and on, absolutely right.
Yeah.
So we see a lot of these like side-by-side use cases. How do you see Sodex evolving in the future? Like looking 2 or 3 years ahead, what do you think, how will customers use Sodex?
Right, yeah, exactly. I think our job sites here are much larger, and they enjoy the side-by-side functionality because they can take it between job sites and keep getting data. We want to move into towards throwing them on haul trucks, aggregate yards. That's kind of our next step. But they're loving this functionality, being able to scan the whole site, load it up on the truck, and head to the next site and scan that as well.
Give me your 3 favorite features about Sodex.
It's easy, it works, and it's fun.
Love it. All right. Thanks, Reed.